Do you know how much pipe and wire and
I can imagine.
bullshit is in that ceiling?
I can imagine.
Oh my goodness. You got life safety stuff, you got generator,
Yeah.
you got fire alarm,
Yeah.
you got high voltage, you got low voltage. It's pipes everywhere. Right? So now Kenya says, I don't want to put my machine over there. And the engineer like, okay, but we got to come off the floor up there. We got to go through the damn floor, down the hallway.
Dang.
And then, you got to think about voltage drop.
I don't even know what that
See, when I get to talking like this, people think I'm crazy.
I don't even know what that
Voltage drop. You think distance.
Okay.
The longer your run, the bigger the wire got to be. Now, is it in our budget? Okay. You want your machine over there at Chip House, the panel right there. That's about 100 and some feet, right?
That's a long way.
Right?
Yeah.
So by the time those electrons get over there, it's the loss is oomph.
I
Right?
see that. Yeah.
So electrons run like that. If I pull 3 wires like that, by the time it get there, that machine ain't gonna heat up.
Got it.
If I pull 3 this size, that big around, the electrons got more room to move around to get there. So they're not gonna waste that much energy getting over there. And so by the time I deliver that knockout power, it's there.
Got it.
So you have to calculate voltage drop per distance.
Yeah, they've been playing with me. I'm like, are you guys done yet?
Give them grace, Kenya. So when they say hey, give us a minute to, they gotta put a service request in. That service request has to go to the manager, the engineer. The engineer has to accommodate you.
That's what he's saying.
They gotta say, well, shoot, ain't no, the 208 panel, ain't no step down transformer down there in the mechanical room. It's on the 4th floor. So we gotta regroup. Or if we don't regroup, we need to find out, is it anything that's 208 voltage on that floor that we could pick it back off of or catch some power. So my main thing is, all right, all this fall on my shoulder. If I was the engineer and I didn't have a panel room that can handle that machine,
they denied me the first time.
See, not too far away.
They denied me the first time.
Listen, I'm not trying to set the building afire because y'all hungry and want some pizza.
They denied us the first time. I was like, fine, just throw it outside. That's how we got outside.
I wouldn't move that outside.
You wouldn't want that outside?
No.
Okay.
They're doing the right thing. So being a contractor, let them do their job. I'm gonna do this in a timely fashion.